Mars and keep it faithful. I love you, peace. Showtime Apollo Comedy Series. He's been at the Uptown Comedy Club. He's been at VH1. He's got a new movie coming out called Just Another Girl on the RRT. Let's give a big hand up for my man, Gerard Mustard! Yeah! Come on! Give it up space, man, once again. How you doing? Real good. Oh, man. Damn, face was in line. You two got some sick-ass glasses. Don't look glass so sick he can see the future. Damn. Everybody looking all cool and stuff. I'll tell you a lot of strange things been happening to me, y'all. I was invited to my high school class reunion. That was like real cool because I went to the, a reunion. I seen some friends I hadn't seen in a long time, man. And one of my friends turned into a homosexual. How the hell somebody gonna turn into a homosexual? You know what I mean? I mean, can it be like the same transformation, like turn into a werewolf? I bet this shit happened to him when they looked at the moon, right, y'all? He said, Thank you.